Picture this. You're walking down a busy street, the aroma of sizzling burgers, fresh pizzas, and sweet smoothies filling the air. Everywhere you look, people are grabbing quick, delicious meals on the go. Now imagine if one small stall or cart like this was yours, turning simple ingredients into a profitable business. From crispy fried chicken to refreshing fruit smoothies, each of these street food ideas has the potential to earn you steady income with a low investment. Today, we're revealing 12 street food businesses that are not only in high demand, but also easy to start, even with minimal resources. Let's dive in. Burgers remain one of the most popular fast foods around the world. From students looking for a quick snack to office workers grabbing lunch, burgers attract customers throughout the day. A small burger stall or takeaway kiosk can offer classic options such as beef burgers, chicken burgers, and vegetarian burgers. Adding different sauces, toppings, and combo meals can make the menu more exciting and encourage repeat customers. Starting a small burger stall is far more affordable than opening a full restaurant. A compact burger cart or kiosk usually costs around $1,500 to $4,000 depending on size and design. Cooking equipment such as a flat-top grill, fryer, and preparation tools may cost $800 to $2,000. A small refrigerator or freezer for storing meat and ingredients usually costs $300 to $800. Initial inventory including buns, meat, vegetables, sauces, packaging, and drinks may require $400 to $800. Overall, many entrepreneurs can start a small burger stall with around $3,000 to $7,000. Because burgers are inexpensive to produce but can sell for several dollars per item, a busy location can generate strong daily sales. Asian dumplings and bao buns are loved worldwide for their soft, flavorful, and handheld appeal. You can serve steamed dumplings, pork, chicken, vegetable bao, or even fusion fillings. Preparation is simple, and steamers let you make multiple batches quickly. Starting a dumpling stall is very affordable. A basic cart costs around $800 to $2,000. A custom setup may cost $2,000 to $4,000. You'll need a commercial steamer, prep tools, and a small fridge or cooler. Initial ingredients like flour, vegetables, meat, and sauces may cost $200 to $400. Cost per serving is roughly $1 to $2. Selling price ranges from $5 to $8. Daily profit can reach $150 to $350. That's $4,500 to $10,500 a month. High foot traffic and creative flavors make this business very profitable. Pizza is one of the most widely loved foods. People enjoy it for lunch, dinner, parties, and late-night meals, which makes it a reliable food business. Many successful entrepreneurs start with a small takeaway pizza stall instead of a full restaurant. A small menu with popular options like cheese pizza, chicken pizza, and vegetable pizza is enough to attract customers. The most important piece of equipment in this business is the pizza oven. A small commercial pizza oven usually costs $800 to $2,500 depending on size. A stall or small kiosk setup may cost $1,500 to $3,500. Preparation tables, trays, and utensils may cost around $300 to $800. A small refrigerator for storing dough, cheese, and toppings may cost $300 to $700. Initial ingredients such as flour, cheese, sauces, toppings, and packaging materials may require $400 to $900. In total, a small pizza stall can often be started with around $3,500 to $7,500. Because the ingredients for pizza are relatively affordable while the selling price per pizza is much higher, this business can create strong margins. Fish meatballs are a unique street food that can easily attract customers who want something different from typical fast food. These small, bite-sized balls are made by mixing fish with spices and shaping them into small portions that can be fried or served in soup. One reason this business works well is flexibility. Fish balls can be served in different ways, deep-fried with spicy sauce, in noodle soup, or even grilled on skewers. This variety helps you attract customers with different tastes. Starting a fish meatball cart is relatively affordable compared to many other food businesses. A basic street food cart usually costs around $800 to $2,000, depending on size and quality. Cooking equipment like a fryer or gas burner may cost $200 to $600, while utensils and preparation tools may require $100 to $300. You may also need a small cooler or mini refrigerator for storing fish and ingredients, which usually costs $150 to $500. Initial inventory, fish, flour, spices, sauces, and packaging may require about $200 to $400. In total, most people can start this business with around $1,500 to $3,500. Because fish balls are inexpensive to produce but can be sold at a much higher price per serving, the profit margin can be quite attractive when the stall is placed in a busy market or street food area. Fried chicken is one of the most popular street foods. Its crispy texture and flavorful spices make it a favorite choice for many customers. A fried chicken stall can sell wings, drumsticks, nuggets, and chicken strips. These items cook quickly and are easy to serve in takeaway boxes. Starting a fried chicken stall requires slightly higher equipment investment because of the fryer. A food stall or cart may cost around $1,500 to $3,500 depending on the design. A commercial deep fryer usually costs $400 to $1,200 depending on capacity. Preparation tables, utensils, and cooking tools may cost $200 to $500. A refrigerator or freezer for storing chicken may cost $300 to $800. Initial inventory including chicken, flour, spices, oil, and packaging materials may require around $300 to $700. Overall, many people start a small fried chicken stall with around $3,000 to $6,000. Because chicken portions are inexpensive to produce but can sell at higher prices, a busy stall can generate strong daily revenue. Fresh juice and smoothie businesses are growing as more people choose healthier drinks instead of sugary beverages. A small juice or smoothie cart can serve fresh fruit juices, protein smoothies, detox drinks, and refreshing blends made from natural ingredients. Starting a small juice cart is relatively affordable. A juice cart or kiosk usually costs around $1,500 to $4,000. Commercial blenders and juicers usually cost $300 to $1,000 depending on quality. A refrigerator or freezer for storing fruits and ingredients may cost $300 to $800. Additional tools such as cutting boards, containers, and preparation equipment may cost around $150 to $400. Initial inventory, including fruits, vegetables, cups, straws, and packaging materials, may require around $300 to $700. Overall, many entrepreneurs start this business with around $2,500 to $6,000. Placed near gyms, parks, schools, or busy shopping areas, a juice cart can attract customers looking for refreshing and healthy drinks. Sushi and rice rolls are perfect for customers looking for fresh, healthy, and portable meals. You can offer vegetables, cooked seafood, or creative fusion rolls. Each roll can be ready in just a few minutes. Startup costs are reasonable. A basic cart costs $1,000 to $2,500. A custom setup may cost $2,500 to $5,000. Equipment includes a rice cooker, knives, rolling mats, and a small fridge. Initial ingredients may cost $200 to $500. Cost per roll is around $1 to $2.50. Selling price ranges from $5 to $9. Daily profit can reach $150 to $350. Monthly revenue can be $4,500 to $10,500. Busy streets, markets, or office areas are perfect spots to sell. Hot dogs are one of the simplest and most recognizable street foods. They are quick to prepare, easy to serve, and popular with customers of all ages. One advantage of this business is its simplicity. The menu usually includes just a few items, such as classic hot dogs, cheese hot dogs, and specialty hot dogs with different toppings. Starting a hot dog stand requires relatively low investment. A standard hot dog cart usually costs between $900 and $2,500, depending on features like storage space and heating systems. Basic equipment such as steamers, burners, and preparation tools may cost around $200 to $600. You may also need a cooler or small refrigerator for storing sausages and drinks, which usually costs $150 to $400. Initial inventory, including sausages, buns, sauces, napkins, and packaging, may require around $200 to $500. The cost of producing one hot dog can be around 80 cents to $1.20, while it may sell for $2.50 to $5 depending on location and toppings. With a busy location such as parks, markets, or event areas, a hot dog stand can serve dozens of customers per hour. Sandwiches are one of the easiest fast foods to prepare and sell. They are convenient, quick to make, and popular among office workers, students, and people who need a fast meal during busy days. A sandwich cart can offer grilled sandwiches, chicken sandwiches, vegetable sandwiches, and healthy options with fresh ingredients. Starting a sandwich cart usually requires a relatively small investment. A basic sandwich cart may cost around $700 to $2,000, while a more customized cart may cost $2,000 to $3,000. A small refrigerator or cooler for storing ingredients may cost $200 to $500. Initial ingredients like bread, vegetables, sauces, cheese, and meat may require $200 to $500. Packaging materials and serving supplies may cost another $100 to $200. Overall, many people can start a sandwich cart with around $1,500 to $4,000. Because sandwiches can be prepared quickly and sold at a good markup, a busy location can generate steady daily income. Barbecue is famous for its rich flavor and smoky aroma that naturally attracts customers. The smell of meat grilling over charcoal can easily bring people to a stall, even from far away. A barbecue stand can serve grilled chicken, beef skewers, sausages, ribs, or vegetables. These items are popular at evening markets, street food areas, and outdoor events. Starting a barbecue stand usually requires a bit more investment than some other street food stalls, mainly because of the grill equipment. A simple food stall or cart may cost around $1,000 to $3,000 depending on the setup. The main equipment is a barbecue grill or smoker, which may cost between $400 and $1,500 depending on size and quality. Additional items such as preparation tables, utensils, and food storage containers may cost around $200 to $500. A small refrigerator or cooler for storing meat and ingredients may cost $200 to $600. Initial inventory including meat, marinades, spices, charcoal, and packaging materials may require around $300 to $700. Most people can start a small barbecue stand with around $2,000 to $5,000. Because grilled food is often considered premium street food, barbecue meals can sell for higher prices, making this business attractive when located in busy evening markets or food streets. Tacos and burritos offer vibrant flavors and lots of customization. You can serve grilled meats, beans, vegetables, or specialty sauces. Customers love choosing exactly what goes into their meal. A taco stall is low cost. A basic cart costs $800 to $2,000. A custom setup may cost $2,500 to $5,000. Equipment includes a griddle, prep containers, utensils, and a cooler. Ingredients like tortillas, meats, beans, vegetables, and sauces may cost $200 to $500. Cost per taco or burrito is roughly $1 to $2. Selling price ranges from $5 to $8. Daily profit can reach $150 to $350. That's $4,500 to $10,500 a month. Offering vegan or fusion options can attract even more customers. Crepes and waffles are versatile street foods that attract sweet and savory lovers. You can make breakfast crepes, dessert waffles, or even creative fusion options with chocolate, fruit, or nut butter. Cooking is fast with a griddle or waffle iron. A crepe or waffle cart costs $1,000 to $2,500 for a basic setup. Custom stalls may cost $2,500 to $5,000. Equipment includes a griddle or waffle iron, prep tools, and a small fridge or freezer. Ingredients like flour, eggs, milk, chocolate, fruits, and syrups may cost $200 to $500. Cost per serving is around $1.50 to $2.50. Selling price ranges from $5 to $10. Daily profit can reach $150 to $400, and monthly revenue $4,500 to $12,000. Social media marketing and creative toppings help attract more customers. As you can see, many successful food businesses don't start with huge restaurants. They start with a simple food cart, a great recipe, and the courage to begin. Some of the biggest restaurant chains today actually started as small street food stalls. So the real question is, which of these street food businesses would you start first? Would you choose something classic like a burger shop or hot dog stand? Or something unique like a Korean bao stall or fish meatball cart? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering profitable business ideas like these, make sure to subscribe to Entrepreneur Guide and turn on the notification bell, because your next successful business idea might be waiting in our next video.